Hi kids, please turn to page 1, and here is a part whole table. So in the table we need to place 4 red counters in one pot, and we place 3 yellow counters in another pot. And now we need to move the counters to the hole to show the total numbers of counters. Here are 4 red counters, so we move these 4 counters to the hole. And then here in the pot there are 3 yellow counters, so we move it to the hole. And now, do you know how many counters are in the hole? Yes, 7. Okay, let's write the addition sentence together. So there are 4 red counters, so write down 4 here. And there are 3 yellow counters, so write down 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now take a look at the next pot-hole table. The pot on the left hand side, there's no counter. And the part on the right hand side, how many counters? Yes, there are 3 yellow counters. So how about the hole? How many counters? So originally there should be 7 counters in the hole, and then we move 3 yellow counters back to the pot, and then we move the red counters back to the pot. Now there are 4 red counters in the pot, and there are 3 yellow counters in the pot. Now we write the subtraction sentence below. Okay, so originally there are 7 counters, and if we move 3 yellow counters back to the pot, there will be 4 red counters left. So kids, do you still remember fact family? So the whole is 7, then the part is 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7, and 7 minus 4 equals 3, and 7 minus 3 equals 4. So this is called fact family. Kids, please turn to page 2. Actually, addition and subtraction are opposites or inverse operations. We can use addition facts to subtract, and related facts have the same 3 numbers. Actually, this concept is also similar to fact family. So take a look at the example below. Do you know how many mouths and how many cheese are there? Yes, there are 5 mouths and 4 cheese. So 5 plus 4 equals to 9. And then take a look at the second number sentence. Okay, there are total 9 items. If I take away 4 cheese, that means minus 4. 5 mouths will be left. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. So take a look at the third number sentence. There are 9 items. And then if I take away 5 mouths, 4 cheese will be left. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. Let's draw the fact family. The whole is 9, and the part are 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. And 9 minus 4 equals 5. And 9 minus 5 equals 4. So this is called inverse operations. And this fact family includes these three number sentences. Now please turn to page 3. In this page, we are going to use the addition fact to do subtraction. Take a look at question 1. How many green blocks are there? Yes, there are 3 green blocks. Then how about the blue blocks? How many? Yes, there are 9 blue blocks. So 3 plus 9 equals to how many? Yes, 12. If we know 3 plus 9 equals to 12, we can use it to calculate 12 minus 9. So let's draw the fact family. So the whole is 12, the parts are 3 and 9. So 3 plus 9 equals 12. So how about 12 minus 9? Yes, it equals to 3. And then how about 12 minus 3? What is the answer? Yes, it equals to 9. Next, we take a look at question 2. So question 2, we need to calculate 7 plus 6. So 7 plus 6 equals to 13. And then let's draw the fact family. The whole is 13, the parts are 7 and 6. So 7 plus 6 equals to 13. So now we need to find 13 minus 7. Okay, in the fact family, we know that 13 minus 7 equals to 6. How about 13 minus 6? Yes, 13 minus 6 equals to 7. Okay, let's take a look at question 3. We need to find 5 plus 6. So 5 plus 6 equals to how many? Yes, 11. And then we draw the fact family. So 11 is a whole, and then 5 and 6 are the part. So 5 plus 6 equals to 11. So how about 11 minus 5? From the fact family, we know that 11 minus 5 equals to 6. So how about 11 minus 6? 11 minus 6 equals to 5. And then please take a look at question 4. So we need to find 7 plus 4. Let's draw the fact family. Okay, 7 plus 4, what is the answer? Yes, it equals to 11. So we write down 11 here. Okay, how about 11 minus 7? Okay, from the fact family, we know that 11 minus 7 equals to 4. Okay, let's find 11 minus 4. Okay, 11 minus 4 equals to 7. For the rest of the question 6, question 5, question 7, and question 8, so you may try it by yourself at home by using fact family and the addition fact to do the subtraction. Okay, now please turn to page 4. So in this page, we'll talk more about the fact family. So a fact family is a set of related facts using the same 3 numbers. So take a look at this fact family. This fact family, there are 3 numbers: 16, 9, and 7. So take a look at the number sentence here. So 9 plus 7. Okay, in the fact family, we know that 9 plus 7 equals to 16. And then 7 plus 9 is also 16. Next, 16 minus 9. So we know that 16 minus 9 equals to 7. Okay, how about 16 minus 7? So we look at the first family. 16 minus 7 equals to 9. So the numbers in this fact family are 16, 7, and 9. Okay, let's take a look at the question and try it. We need to complete the fact family. So take a look at the fact family here. Okay, in this fact family, the numbers include 12, 9, and 3. And we're going to use these three numbers to form the number sentence. First, 9 plus 3 equals to, yes, it equals to 12. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. Okay, so next, 3 plus 9 is also equals 12. Next, 12 minus 9. What is the answer? Yes, equals to 3. 12 minus 9 equals 3. The final one, 12 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 equals 9. 12 minus 3 equals to 9. Now please turn to page 10. In this page, we are also going to do some addition question. So take a look at question 1. Need to find 9 plus 7. And we are going to use the abacus to calculate the answer. In the first row, we move 9 bits to the left. And in the second row, we move 7 bits to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the first row, if we move 1 more bit to the left, it can form 10. So in the second row, we split the bits into 2 parts. So one part is 1 bit. So how many bits in the other part? Yes, there are 6 bits. So 7 is split into 1 and 6. And now we want to move, in the first row, we move 1 more bit to the left. So in the second row, we need to move 1 bit back to the right. So now 9 plus 7 equals to 110 and 6, and there are 16 bits on the left hand side. So 9 plus 7 equals to 16. Okay, now please take a look at question 2. We need to find 5 plus 8. So first of all, we move all the bits to the right. So, and then in the first row, we move 5 bits to the left. And then in the second row, we move 8 bits to the left. Okay, now we can see that in the second row, if we move 2 more bits to the left, it can make 10. So in the first row, we split 5 bits into 2 parts. 1 is 2, 1 is 3. So 5 is split into 2 and 3. Now in the second row, we move 2 beats to the left, and then in the first row, we move 2 beats back to the right. So 5 plus 8 equals to 110 and 3. That means 13. Okay, now we move on to question 3. We need to find 6 plus 9. So in the first row, we move 6 beats to the left. And then in the second row, we move 9 beats to the left. Okay, so now in the second row, we can see that if we move 1 more beat to the left, it can make 10. So in the first row, we split the 6 beats into 2 parts. One is 1 and the other part is 5. So now in the second row, if we moved 1 beat to the left, so in the first row, we need to move 1 beat to the right. So 6 is split into 2 parts. 6 is split into 1 and 5. And 6 plus 9 equals to 110 and 5, which is 15. Okay, now we move on to question 4, 8 plus 9. Okay, let's move all the beats to the right first. And then, in the first row, we move 8 beats to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, in the second row, we move 9 beats to the left. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now you can see that if we move 1 more beat to the left in the second row, it can become 10. So in the first row, we split the 8 beats into 2 parts. One part is 1 and the other part is 7. So 8 is split into 1 and 7. And now in the second row, we move 1 more beat to the left. And the first row, we move 1 beat to the right. So 8 plus 9 equals to 110 and 7, which means 17. For the rest of the question, 5, 6, 7, 8, please try to do it by yourself by using the Make 10 method. Okay, now please turn to page 13 and take a look at the questions here. So take a look at the first question. 12 bees are in the hive. And then 3 bees fly away. And we need to find how many bees are left in the hive. Okay, now here I draw 2 10 frame set. So in each frame set there are 10 frames, and inside each frame there is 1 circle. So 1 circle represents 1 bee. So now how many circles are there? Yes, there are 12 circles in total. And now, because 3 bees fly away, we need to take out 3 circles. So which frame set should we choose? The first frame set or the second frame set? So which one can take away 3 circles? Yes, it's the first one. So we cross out 3 circles. So at the beginning, in the first frame set, there are 10 circles, right? And then, because 3 bees fly away, we cross out 3 circles. So how many circles left? Yes, 7. And then, in the second set, there are 2 circles. So how many circles in total now? Yes, 7 plus 2. What is the answer? Yes, it equals to 9. There are 9 circles. So we write down the number sentence. Okay, in the beginning, there are 12 bees in the hive, and then 3 bees fly away. So that means we need to minus 3. 12 minus 3 equals to 9. So there are 9 bees left in the hive. Okay, take a look at the second question. Stella has 7 rabbits and she has 5 turtles. We need to find how many animals does Stella have. So here we got two 10-frame sets. So the first set there are 7 circles, and in the second set there are 5 circles. And then we write down the number sentence. We need to find how many animals does Stella have. So we know that Stella has 7 rabbits and she has 5 turtles, so plus 5. Do you still remember the make 10 method? Okay, so take a look at the first 10-frame set. Okay, here if we want to make 10, so how many more circles we need? Yes, we need 3 more circles. So remove 3 circles from the second set to the first set. Okay, now in the first set there are total 10 circles, right? And in the second set there are 2 circles. So 7 plus 5 equals to 110 and 2, which means 12. So Stella has 12 animals. And now we take a look at question 3. 14 parrots are flying. However, 5 parrots fly away. Okay, we need to find how many parrots are left flying. Okay, let's write the number sentence. We know that there are 14 parrots are flying, and then 5 parrots fly away. So we need to minus 5. So 14 minus 5. What is the answer? Okay, here below we draw 2 10-frame sets. The first one and the second one. There are total 14 circles. And now we need to take away 5 circles. Which set can take away 5 circles? The first one or the second one? Yes, it should be the first one because there are 10 circles. So now we cross out 5 circles. So in the beginning, in the first set, there are 10 circles, and then we cross out 5. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. And in the second set, there are 4 circles. So 5 plus 4, it equals to 9. So 14 minus 5 equals 9. And there are 9 parrots are left flying. Okay, kids, please turn to page 15. And here we got some subtraction question. So take a look at question 1. 11 minus 9. So we are going to use a 2 to calculate the answer, which is 10 frame set. Do you still remember how to use it? So we are going to use the 10 frame set to calculate the subtractions question. Okay, so question 1, 11 minus 9. Here we got 2 10 frame sets. In the first set, there are 10 circles. And in the second set, there is only 1 circle. So 11 is split into 2 parts, 10 and 1. Okay, so we now need to take away 9 circles. So which set should we choose, the first one or the second one? Yes, we should choose the first one, and we cross out 9 circles. So how many circles left in the first set? 10 minus 9 equals 1. So 1 circle is in the first set and 1 circle in the second set. So that means the total is 2. So 11 minus 9 equals 2. Okay, now we move on to question 2. 11 minus 8. Again, there are two 10 frame sets, the first one and the second one. So in the first set, there are 10 circles, and in the second set, there is 1 circle. So 11 split into 10 and 1. Okay, now we need to take away 8 circles, so which set should we choose? Yes, it should be the first one, and then we cross out the 8 circles. So now, in the first set, how many circles are left? 10 minus 8. Okay, we can see that there are 2 circles left. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. 2 circles in the first set and 1 circle in the second set. That means there are 3 circles in total. 11 minus 8 equals 3. Okay, let's move on to question 3. 12 minus 5. Okay, now we also got two 10 frame sets, the first one and the second one. Okay, this time there are total 12 circles. So do you know how many circles are in the first set? Yes, there are 10 circles in the first set, and there are 2 circles in the second set. So 12 is split into 10 and 2. Now we need to take away 5 circles. So which set should we choose? The first one or the second one? Yes, it should be the first one. So we cross out 5 circles. So in the first set, how many circles left? Yes, there are 5 circles left. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Okay, 5 circles in the first set and 2 circles in the second set. So total, there are 7 circles. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. Okay, now we move on to question 4. Question 4 is 12 minus 4. So here we also got two 10 frame sets. So in the first set there are 10 circles, and in the second set there are 2 circles. So 12 is split into 10 and 2. And now we need to take away 4 circles. So which set should we choose? Yes, we should choose the first set. So we cross out 4 circles. So how many circles left? 10 minus 4 equals to, yes, equals to 6. And in the second set, there are 2 circles. So total, there are 8 circles. So 12 minus 4 equals to 8. Okay, so for the rest of the question 5, question 6, question 7, and question 8, please try to finish by yourself and do the subtraction with the help of 10 frame set. Okay, now please turn to page 18, and in this page we'll also do some subtraction question. So take a look at question 1, 16 minus 8. So here we also got two 10 frame sets, the first one and the second one. So how many circles are in the first set? Yes, 10. How about the second one? Yes, there are 6 circles. So 16 is split into 10 and 6. And now we need to cross out 8 circles. So which set should we choose? Yes, it should be the first one. So we cross out 8 circles in the first set. Okay, now how many circles left in the first set? 2. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. Okay, 2 circles in the first set and 6 circles in the second set. So how many circles in total? Yes, 8. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. Okay, so we now move on to question 2. 15 minus 5. So here we got two 10 frame sets, the first one and the second one. Okay, in the first set there are 10 circles, and in the second set there are 5 circles. So 15 is split into 10 and 5. Okay, now we need to take away 5 circles. So this time we can take away 5 circles from either one set. So this time we choose set 2. Okay, we cross out 5 circles, and now there are only 10 circles left in the first set. So 15 minus 5 equals to 10. Okay, now we move on to question 3, 17 minus 8. So there are two 10 frame sets, the first one and the second one. So in the first set there are 10 circles, and in the second set there are 7 circles. So 17 splits into 10 and 7. And now we need to take out 8 circles. So which set should we choose? Yes, we should choose the first one. So we cross out 8 circles. Okay, now how many circles are left? 10 circles minus 8 circles equals 2. So there are 2 circles left. Okay, so how many circles left in total? Yes, 9. 17 minus 8 equals 9. Okay, take a look at question 5. 18 minus 9. Okay, here we also got two 10 frame sets, the first one and the second one. So in the first set there are 10 circles, and in the second set there are 8 circles. Okay, now we need to take away 9 circles. So which set should we choose? Yes, we should choose the first one. Okay, now how many circles left in the first set? 10 minus 9 equals to 1. There is 1 circle left. So how many circles left in total? Yes, there are 9 circles left. So 18 minus 9 equals 9. And 18 is split into 10 and 8. So we're at 10 and 8 here. Okay, for the rest of the question, 4, 6, 7, 8, please try to finish by yourself at home and try to use the 10th frame set to help you to calculate the answer.